What is leverage? One of the characteristics of Forex trading is the ability to utilize financial leverage. But what exactly is leverage? Essentially, leverage allows you to gain exposure to large amounts of currency without having to pay the full value of your trade up front. Leverage is expressed as a ratio. 1-to-1, for example, means no leverage, while 1-to-20 allows you to control a position 20 times larger than your deposit. Let's say you deposit $100 and want to trade US dollar Canadian dollar. Currently, the maximum leverage available for this currency pair is 1-to-50. This means you could place a trade up to 50 times the size of your deposit, or $5,000. Now, let's say you decide to buy $2,000 worth of US dollar Canadian dollar. 2% of the amount, or $40, will be set aside as required margin. Margin is the amount of money you need to have in your account to open a trade using leverage. Of your original $100, the remaining $60 could be used to open new trades or maintain existing ones. This is known as free margin. Free margin is affected by the profit and loss from your open trades, as well as daily rollover fees, and all of this can directly impact the funds in your trading account. Although leverage can help you start trading with less money and may increase potential profits, it also increases your risk exposure and can result in greater losses. You must ensure you understand the risks involved with leverage trading and manage them correctly. To learn more about Forex, visit trading.com.